Hey guys, welcome to the Catway. So in this video, we are going to continue with our HCF and LCM topic. We are going to discuss one last thing about HCF and LCM. So let's begin. See, whenever it is given that there are two numbers whose HCF is equal to H. Okay, then the value of the two numbers will be hx and hy. Okay, so these will be your two numbers. So your LCM would be equal to, okay, so LCM would be equal to hxy. Okay, so this is the basic concept which you should know. That is, whenever it will be given that there are two numbers and the HCF is h, then you can take the two numbers as hx and hy. Okay, also you can take the LCM as hxy. Also what you can take is the HCF into LCM will be is equal to h square xy. Okay, so these are few things which you should know. Now we'll solve a few questions based on this and I'll tell you how to solve them. So let's take our first question. What do we have is, let's say, two numbers with HCF 8 and LCM 31416. Then the number of pairs possible. Okay. Achha, there's one more thing. Here the values of x and y, these x and y are co-primes. Okay, x and y are co-primes. This is a very important part, that x and y are co-primes. So now we have to find the number of pairs. So we have HCF is equal to 8. So our first number would be is equal to 8x, whereas the second number would be 8y. Okay, and the LCM would be 8xy. Acha, what we have been given is 8xy is equal to 31416. So x and y would be is equal to, let's check it out, 31416 divided by 8, we have 3927. Okay, and 3927 is product of two numbers and the numbers are x and y. Okay, so they are product of two numbers, and we also know that x and y have to be co-primes. So how can you write a number as a product of two co-primes? We had discussed it earlier that it will be 2 to the power n minus 1 when it is unordered pair. So let's write 3927 into its prime factors form. So it will go into 3, 3, 7, 11 and 17. Okay, so it is 3 into 7 into 11 into 17. Okay, so how many prime numbers are there? We are using 4 prime numbers. So what will be our value? 2 to the power 4 minus 1, that is 2 to the power 3, and your final answer would be 8. So this will be your answer. But if in case it would have said here that you have to find the values of x and y, how many pairs of x and y? Okay, if it would have been mentioned here x and y, then your answer would have been 2 to the power 4, that is 16. In this case, as nothing is mentioned, so we will take that we are talking about unordered pair. Whenever nothing is written, we take the unordered pair. So we will take this form and our answer will be 8. Let's solve one more question based on this. Now the number of pairs of x comma y such that their HCF is 17 and LCM is, let's say, 7140. Okay, so now we have our HCF is equal to 17. So our first number would be 17x, our second number would be 17y. Also our LCM would be 17x into y. We have been given that 17xy is equal to 7140. So xy will be equal to, let's see, it will be equal to 420. Now 420 can be written as, let's say, it will be 2, then again 2 times it will go, then it will go in 5, and we will be left with 21. So 21 will go 3 into 7. So we have xy is equal to 2 square into 5 power 1 into 3 power 1 into 7 power 1. Now what will we do? Will we find the number of ordered pairs or unordered pairs? Here we will find ordered pairs. Why will we find ordered pairs? Because it has been said x and y. So x and y, for every value of x and y there will be a different value of y, so, and they have to be in orders. That means they will interchange themselves. So we will go by the form 2 to the power n. Why will we do this? Because this is a number and it has to be written as a product of two numbers, and those two numbers are co-prime. So we know the formula is 2 power n, so our formula would be 2 power 4, that is equal to 16, because 4 different prime numbers are used. So 16 will be our answer. Let's solve one last question over it. Let's say the question is, how many pairs A comma B having HCF 7 and product 12,600. So we have to find the number of pairs. So when we have HCF is equal to 7, we have numbers is equal to 7x and 7y. We have our LCM is equal to 7xy. Okay, the product of numbers we know is equal to LCM into HCF is equal to product. So what we can see here is it will be 7xy into 7 is equal to 12,600. This will be 49xy is equal to 12,600. But 49 we cannot get, see, 49 will not divide 12,600. You can see here it will come out to be 1800 divided by 7. Okay, 1800 divided by 7 will come out, so which is not divisible. So we can say that there are no pairs of A and B, that the answer will be 0, that there are no pairs possible. Okay, because it has to be a perfect integer, okay, a whole number, which is not coming in this case. So we can say that the answer would be 0, that is no pairs are possible. So I hope you have understood this. With this we end the chapter of number system, and you can join our Facebook group whose link is there in the description below for numerous practice sessions which are going on there regarding CAT and other management entrance examinations. So see you there, guys. Thanks for watching all our videos.